Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. The pita chips have been cooking for about 8 minutes or so, so I'm going to check them and see if they're browned. And they look perfect. So they've got just a little bit of brown color and they're crispy. See? So those are going to make a great way to scoop up that hummus. For now, we're just going to sit here and just let them cool off just a little bit. Okay, so our hummus is all set. We have the olive oil poured over top of it, and we're surrounding it with the peppers. The last thing we're going to do is take a few of these pita chips and just put it on the plate around it. That way people have a choice of whether they want to use the pita or the peppers. Either of these would be a healthy choice. The pita, we didn't really use a lot of oil at all. So even though it's carbs and a little bit of oil, it's not going to be too bad for you if you just have a few. So we'll put most of the chips around the side where we don't have the peppers, and it's just going to even it all out.